Hey guys, so today is the day where we are going to be looking at my new Euphoric Shimmer Pigments. I have just launched my new business, Peach Co Beauty. I will leave the Instagram up here somewhere for you to look at. Hopefully you can see it. So make sure you go and follow us on Peach Co Beauty, as well as Peach&Pearl Brushes, which is my first business. All of Peach Co Beauty's new makeup will be sold on my Peach&Pearl Brushes website. All of this is going to be linked down below. So look, let's just get straight into it, okay? Right, so these shimmer pigments, there's 8 of them in total. I'm going to be swatching every single one of them, and I'm going to try and show these to you in their little jars. Like, I just absolutely adore it. This one's called Warped, so you can see that. I don't know if the shimmer duochrome is showing up. So this one here is Warped. Look at how shimmery and pigmented it is just on my finger. Oh my gosh. And then the next one we have is called Acid. So that one there is Acid and Warped together. And then we have Transformed. I'm trying to make sure that these do not fall on my clothes, on my floor. And that is Transformed. And that my fingers just look like metal right now. This one is called Ethereal. So that's Ethereal at the top there. Then we have, Galactic, and that's there at the bottom. Then we have Disoriented. And then we have Black Hole. And lastly, Psychedelic. So that's all of them there. And I am going to throw up some proper swatches of these rather than my on-the-spot swatches. So now I'm going to try them on the eyes so you can see how they look. So these pigments are going to be a part of my new beauty line, Peach Co Beauty. I'm so happy to have launched it. I'm gonna do what I always do, put my concealer on my eyes, and we're gonna try out a couple of the shades. So firstly, I'm gonna take my Warrior palette, and I'm going to use Walzana mixed with a little bit of Dara. So I'll put Dara down first, like just a light flush, like that. And now for the grey shade, I'll kind of put it in the crease, because I feel like these pigments with a dark shadow behind it, they look super cute. I think it just adds dimension. Yeah. Right, so I have zoomed you in a little bit. Now I would definitely advise using some kind of glitter glue. I'm gonna use my Duo lash adhesive, but if you have like your favorite glitter glue or just cosmetic adhesive, then go ahead and use that. You don't necessarily have to use Duo, but that's just my favorite to use whenever I'm applying any kind of glitter or any type of pigment that needs to have an adhesive base. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be using is Psychedelic, which is this bottom one, here. Oh, I just love the way that these look. And I advise using a flat brush and just patting it on. And I would also definitely advise doing your makeup after, rather than before like I have. Oh, minus this fallout here on my face. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's just so bright. Pretty. And then I'm going to use Galactic. And with a clean flat brush, I'm going to be going in with Galactic this time. And again, just with like a patting motion, stamping motion. Ooh, they're just so bright. I'm gonna go back in with my Juvia palette and grab a little bit more of that grey so that I can just have a little bit more of a gradient toward the edges. See, regardless of whether or not it's the purple or the green, the dark grey goes with it so nice. I'm gonna go clean up my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've gone and I've cleaned up my makeup. I'm gonna put some liner on and also some mascara. I absolutely adore the way that these look. They're just so pigmented. They're just in your face. They're bright. I absolutely adore our new pigments. I'm so happy with the responses that we've had so far with the Euphoric Shimmer Pigments. Now, as I said, I do feel that in order to get the best out of them, use a cosmetic adhesive. I use the Duo eyelash glue, but feel free to use any glitter glue or any cosmetic adhesive that you feel you like best. You don't necessarily have to use the one that I use, but I feel like that one works best for me. I would definitely advise just putting a little bit on your brush and patting it on your eyelid rather than taking up so much of the product, because you are going to get some fallout because it is a loose pigment. And just to also let you know, these are cruelty free, so those of you who are into cruelty free makeup, you will be able to get these and feel at ease knowing that they are cruelty free products. These are going to be sold on the Peach&Pearl Brushes website, which will be linked down below, and at some point we will get our own Peach Co Beauty website as well, but we're gonna have to wait until the Peach Co Beauty line is self-sustaining, so just look out for that. I will keep you updated. In the meantime, do follow our Instagram, well, both of our Instagrams, the Peach Co Beauty Instagram and also the Peach&Pearl Brushes Instagram. Again, everything will be linked down below. Let me know what you think of the pigments. Like, do you think that they're bright, like, and pigmented, and are you interested in these? I absolutely adore them and I'm just so happy with the response so far. I feel like I'm so blessed. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.